We are boarding the largest cruise ship in the world. 20 decks, endless amount of food, desserts, places to relax, alongside thousands of other people. Let's go! Aloha!
Aloha!
We're here at Port Canaveral, checking in at Royal Caribbean Star of the Sea. Here we are. There's a lot of people already here. Perfect day at Kokoke, the world's best family vacation. So we're here early, little before 10, and let me see how much people are already here checking in. He's got your security, and we're about to check in
On Star of the Seas. Let's go.
So I gotta say, every time we are able to board a ship at Port Canaveral, I gotta give a thank you to the port team over here. Every time our check-in experience has always been smooth transitioning. So thank you guys. It'll be our first port tomorrow at Kokoke. We are getting on board. There's a Star of the Sea, the front. So we are officially on the Star of the Sea. There's the balloons for tonight's drop. There is the Pearl right at the main entrance. Tiffany is very adamant to make sure that these cups, she's able to grab one. She's concerned it might get sold out. But we're gonna take care of our muster station. And then after that, we're gonna head over to the main dining to just verify where we are located for dinner. And then after that, we'll start taking a tour around the ship. Just checked in some of the family, and then hello. Thank you. And now it's our turn to check in. So let's go, assembling G station. Now the kids like this right there, ice hockey. So here's a Playmaker.
We're at the muster station by Absolute Zero and Playmakers. We are G2 muster, so let's do our muster.
This is the ice skating ring. Wow. Very nice. So we'll be checking out this later on in the cruise, so we'll be back. Let's go take a look at the chef's recommendations while Tiff is in line. We see southern fried chicken, desserts, key lime pie, crispy crab cakes. So this is the main dining area. Very beautiful, the atmosphere they got going on. On deck 15, we are looking at Central Park down there. I like the coloring of those window shades outside the windows and balconies. Very colorful. Now we are here, it's a very hot sunny day at Port Canaveral. So let's take a walk around. There's the pool, nobody's in there yet. Oh, man, we might have to jump in already. So if you get on early, you pretty much got this whole pool place to yourself. Got the band setting up across on that side. Okay, when you first walk in, you got so many different selections of drinks. Got your milks, your half and half hot water, decaf coffees, your lemonade, iced tea, you got tango mango juice, and a strawberry kiwi, which I really like. So this is all free. Okay, we're at the crepe station here. And here's your ingredients. Got strawberries, we got salty caramel, got bananas, strawberry Nutella, hazelnut, and bananas. Got jasmine rice, fresh liver. Wow, that looks good. Very big out barbecue. Good, yeah. We're at Feta Mediterranean. Got your herb rice. Look at that, chicken. And you also got pork. Okay. And here's some ingredients here. Cucumbers, lettuce, onions, tomato, hummus. And you got your sides here. Onions. And we have sweet corn. We got chicken and cheese and a beef and cheese. Look at that. Okay, so we went with the brisket sandwich with extra hot sauce and onions.
So you can try.
I'm gonna like them. Yeah. I just think it have to. The bread they're really tough.
I like it. Let's try again. Let's verify. Verify.
Okay, some fries.
Oh, I don't want the fries. You can have it.
You know the fries? Chips?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, hold up.
The brisket is solid. The bun I got, see, like it's crispy. Yep, a little hard.
Oh yeah, you know I did the things. Yeah.
But other than that, I like it. Let's try the coleslaw. Coleslaw solid. Okay, macaroni and cheese. Okay, one more. I had the manager asking me a question real quick. It's okay. It has a different, it's not like your normal mac and cheese, a very, I don't know how to describe it, the yellow cheesy one. It tastes almost like an Alfredo macaroni and cheese, yeah? And don't forget to ask for the chips if you do get one of the brisket or pork sandwiches. They got potato chips on the side to offer as well. After this, we're gonna go walk around some more, so stick around, okay? And once again, the manager keep interrupting me, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? First day on the crew, they get interrupted 5 times, or you know what I mean? But check us out after. Okay, so right next to the market where we grabbed some lunch is the Aquadome. So Aquadome is right next to a restaurant called Hooked. So I guess you can sit outside maybe if you can time it right with one of the showings if you're staying at the restaurant. We just sampled out the seating. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable, the cushions. And right behind the Aquadome, here's a drink station over here. And then here is some places to just relax. So we're on the bottom of the Overlook. Walked up in the stairs, there's like a pod, couch. Yeah, it looks like it fit 8 people comfortably. As you can see, there's a lot of room here for just chill. You, your friends, your family. Now I do notice I don't feel the AC really good over here, or even like fans where the wind is blowing. But it's a good spot to just chill. Also, there's places to charge up your phone or your laptop. Also, next to the Aquadome, as I shared earlier, is the restaurant Hooked. This is a specialty dining, so you'd have to pay. Can you envision yourself being here? And then now we're walking towards the end. So you got a place for a party. Couch setting. Make reservations and sit outside here to watch the show of your starters, baked oysters, main catches of the day. Let's see here. They got fish and chips, steak and lobster, and here's some sandwiches. Bites here. I definitely like steak fries. And then for dessert, all these lights. It's pretty cool. So they got some planning to their decorations. And we just checked on one part of deck 15. We didn't even dent this whole ship. So that's our goal for the week. Alright, so we're walking on still on deck 15. And here's a jacuzzi. This might be a good spot to chill for sail away.
Guest safety briefing procedure. We've enhanced the process to the life jacket demonstration.
Now let's look at this pool.
Once done,
still on deck
check in
15.
with the crew at your
Lots of chairs
For guests who do not
available.
watch the life jacket demonstration on the app, we will give you a live presentation at your assembly station. In the Royal Caribbean app.
2 feet 9 inches is this pool.
Safety wristbands
Okay, so
can be
this
found
is a
inside
very
your stateroom
relaxing
when it's
spot.
ready. Please make sure to bring your
Like an
children
infinity
to the
pool
assembly
over there.
station so we can explain safety.
There's a Mexican restaurant, Loco Fresh, and we found another jacuzzi here. So lots of options as far as jumping in a jacuzzi. Salsa station, let's see what we got here. You get your guacamole, sour cream, your cheese, lots of sauces. Your lime, jalapenos, lettuce, pica de gallo. The cheese quesadillas, chicken quesadillas, and then here's your beef chicken burritos. The fruit salads here. And then moving on, here's your nacho bowls. We got hello, how you doing, man? We're doing well. Good to see you. With your cheese sauce. Hey, chili beef, Mexican beans, your Mexican rice. There's your beef, your chicken, and your pulled pork. Thank you. So Loco Fresh is on deck 15, midship. Now we hear some music going on here. Okay, it's not a band. Oh, it is a band. Let's see. So they're up there. We'll check them out on deck 16. Later on, we'll be checking out the Central Park. They got restaurants like Izumi down there, which is an extra charge, and Park Cafe. That's where we like to go for lunch. Get some soup, some salads, and we're good to go. So we got a few people in the swimming pool already. Once again, we're at Port Carnaval. Day one of cruise. It's sunny. So they got the right song playing in the background. Now these guys came prepared. They got the same outfits. Team Orange. Washy crew. So we got cupcakes here. This month we are celebrating Royal Caribbean's birthday bash. How's that cake over there? Star of the Seas. Now they're playing my song, Whitney Houston, I Wanna Dance with Somebody. So earlier was saying that, wow, the back of the ship was very empty, but we found where everybody is at. It's at the WindJammer. So over here we're starting off with pasta. Look at that. I guess you can pick different noodles. Next we got blue cheese. We got some olives. Yeah, we got some cheeses here. Got your provolone, parmesan. Got some shrimp. Got your carrots and jalapenos, salamis. We got New York steak. We got some chicken breast that's gluten free. Here we got some roasted pumpkin. Then you got your grilled salmon. Got some more fish here. Got your pork chops right here. Now this is a favorite over here. Yeah, here's a popular demand. We got the lobsters over here. Just filling it up.
Thank you.
Yeah, then you got your garlic, your shrimp. Your herb butter over there. The desserts, we got Oreo cheesecake. Now that looks good. That looks delicious. I think we'll try that. Cream brulee. Oh, we got a raspberry pound cake. That looks good. Here's some carrot cakes. Let's sprinkle with some nuts. Your chocolate bar cake, upside down pineapple cake. Hello, sir. Oh, doing well. Thank you so much. And then also we got coconut cream puff here. Woo! Yeah, we're rocking some lemon cookies. You got your, of course, your chocolate chip. And then your oatmeal raisin cookies. Along with some variety of fruits here. So this is the Dangerfield. I love my breads. So we got our breads here. Wow. We got some roasted beef. We got some nice decoration. Here's some pork schnitzel. Fried polenta. Some beef and mushroom stew. Of course, you gotta have your mashed potatoes, and there's your melted butter again, and your gravy. Yeah, we got some potato salad. We got some mussels over here. Lemon. Oh, we got more shrimp here. More shrimp. The seafood, corn on the cob, and a barbecue chicken. To this section, the seafood section. Let's see what we're rocking here. We got the shrimp cocktail. More lobster tails. They're all over the place. Fresh ceviche. Okay, salmon tartare in lemon. Yeah, there's some sauces. Mary Rose sauce. First time I heard of that before. Red wine vinegar sauce. More lobster. More lobster. We got crab claws and we got mussels on this side. We got, let's see, got some scallops here. Crab claws, calamari, and the same on that side. Hello everybody. First day on the cruise. We just got a chance to run into Brother Tony here, man. Just want to say hello everybody. Aloha.
Aloha, this is great. You got a lot of seafood here today, the fish day at home. So it's great. And I love it.
You love seafood, Tony?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, everybody. Take care now. Thank you, Tony.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Wow, so we got some salmon. And the cream of mushroom looks really good. Oh, and we got the chicken noodle soup. I might stop, but the cream of mushroom smells really good. This is the international section. We got our bread, your naan bread, butter masala. Okay, there's a butter chicken there. Let me just show the name. Get your hot dogs, cheeseburgers, french fries. There's some baked pasta and chicken tenders. Here's our spaghetti. You got your marinara sauce. And you got steamed vegetables and your chicken fried rice. So here's some gluten-free mashed potatoes. There's your steamed vegetables, your garlic roasted potatoes. There's your gravy and your barbecue chicken. Here's your rice, fava bean stew, corn on the cob, and some grilled branzino. Remember now, this is all gluten-free. Now we got stir-fry station here. Check out some of the ingredients that you got over here. Okay. Lots of fruits, man. Pack some up, take them to your room. We'll be good midnight. So that was our quick walkthrough in the WindJammer where everybody is at. We also met brother Tony. So Tony, thank you so much. Nice meeting to you. So there's a sneak peek of maybe what you can expect on your first day on Stars of the Sea. So they're already passing out the cake here. So maybe just because, we might as well get one. Hello.
Welcome on board.
Yes, we're doing well. Thank you very much, sir. Take care. So the band is in action up there. Knocking on your door. Don't forget to get your towels here. Okay, we are at Park Cafe. Okay, so we're walking in Central Park. So we just passed one restaurant at Izumi in the park. So you get sushi and ice cream. Let's go just look at the menu real quick. You got your sushi options, pork goza. And then here's their selection of cookies and cream and their signature bubble cones, rainbow mochi and matcha. I like the mochi ice cream. So this is cool from Central Park. You can actually walk right down to the promenade. Cool. Okay, I want to take a quick break. Our battery is dying out, so I'm gonna have to charge it up. But we got 6 more days on the ship, so we'll come back and check out Central Park. They made that announcement that the room is ready. It's 1 o'clock on the dot.
Balcony, Surfside Family View Stateroom.
Here's your restroom.
Here's your restroom and the shower.
Okay.
And you got the bed. You have the desk here with
Your itinerary.
yeah, and waters for Diamond Plus if you're Diamond Plus members. And you got robes. Wow, pretty cool. And here's your looks out to Surfside and the ocean.
With 2 chairs.
Chairs, you can hang out and chill.
Okay, so we just checked in our family into their room. And we're going to be going to our other room. So you always got the option to take the elevators, but I like taking the staircases. Each floor, they always have different artwork. Utilize the stairs and take a look at the different artworks they have. This one here is by Amelia. Now look at this view. We're on deck 10 in the aft. Thank you, sir. Make it clean. Now here's the view back here. Very nice. I think we're way in the back. Not really sure exactly where we are, but we'll find out. So at least we're far away from the elevator. More chances to put in more steps. So that's one good way of looking at it. We're staying at cabin 328 on deck 10. Okay, going into a room. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing that catches my attention is straight out the window. We have one of those balconies where just the window comes down.
And here's the bathroom. And this is the shower, very spacious. As you can see, you can sit down. Ladies, you can shave your legs on top here.
Very fortunate, we got some water. Nice mirror. Just look at the dresser here. And you also get your blow dryer. So you want to take advantage of breakfast. So we like to order juices and waters so that in the morning we got liquids to drink already at your doorstep. Yeah, here's your little refrigerator. Yeah, so here's the showtime at a glance to what's happening. If you use the app to make some reservations for some of the shows, especially Back to the Future, which I'm looking forward to. So on the first day, you can press 10 items for $17.49. It does say within 48 hours. Here's our closets.
Very spacious. We gotta ask for ropes, but it's all G.
Lots of hangers. There's your metal drawers. Here's your artwork. So of course you got your lamps, and then of course you can plug in to charge your electrical equipment. There's our bed. Now I saw in a lot of YouTube videos people got all type of merchandise, but we got one thing. Let's see what it says. It says it's my birthday.
And it is for Nathan.
Yeah, this week is my birthday, so hey, we got one merchandise. Okay, you got your television here. Got some places to put stuff on. But this is the place that is pretty cool. So normally this is where our normal balcony is with the sliding doors. Yeah, but however, here we go. And the window comes down. So let's check this out.
Here, I'll do it.
So far out there is Carnival, and there's the Disney Wish as well as NCL.
So we are in an infinite balcony ocean view cabin, and this view is beautiful. And how the window works is those are the controllers to push it up and down, and the window blinds too if you want it dark. So this blind is a blackout curtain. So if you don't want the heat in, you could put this down.
So the AC turns off once you open up that window. Just keep that in mind if AC is a thing for you. Okay, so next we are going to go upstairs for our sail away. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we are going to check out this spa. Hello. Yes, he wants to check it out. So they make smoothies and fresh juices here. There's your white protein over there. So this is just an additional charge. Hey, what a nice entrance into the spa.
Yeah, tell me the room number. For your hair and for your scalp as well.
The IV right here. You can do your makeup here. Okay, here we are at the thermal suites. Okay, so this is a Turkish spa. Okay, good to rub on your skin. Ooh, feels good. Okay, so here's your steam room. Sorry. The infrared sauna. Okay, this feels good. infrared sauna.
It's 299 unlimited, but now it's only 180.
Okay. Here's your mist spray. Oh, okay. Okay, and then here's your towels. What they got? I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 thermal beds. Fill up your bottles. This is your relaxation lounge. So here's where the band will be playing tonight. Okay, we're just walking around in the promenade. Got about another hour before sail away. There's the Pearl. So here's Giovanni. Okay, we are at Schooner Bar. There's Boleros. So here's the view straight down the promenade. And as you can see, it's a wide ship. So we're right behind the Pearl. And if you need information about your internet, Voom is right here. Okay, so we are here at the Pearl Cafe, and we're going to take a look at what the menu is. A curry chicken sandwich, tomato salad here, and an Asian panini salad. And we got a little, here's a barbecue chicken sandwich. Next we got mushroom sandwich. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. That looks interesting. Oh, and a barbecue chicken again. Okay, so we got pineapple upside down, a toffee apple cupcake, cream brulee as well. We know we've seen that in the WindJammer. There's a cocoa cake and a fruit tart. In the same section of the Pearl Cafe, you got another Starbucks. Now check out these turtles up here. Playmaker. Yeah. So let's see where everybody's sitting. Okay, let's see if Miami can make a stop here. Let's see. Oh! They made us stop! Yes! Yeah, Playmakers is fun, man. This is the place to come if you're trying to catch your favorite team playing. A lot of good fun people here watching the sports game going on. We're over here at the kids zone, but we're gonna try to see if we can get a view of pulling away from Port Canaveral. So let's go. And it looks like we got a view here. So here we are, we got a nice view of Port Canaveral. Okay, so we're sailing away. So we got here, we're right next to the pool area where the kids are. Tiffany is upstairs. She's gonna be filming from deck 16. So we want to get on that side and get closer to Getty Park. So let's go over there. Let's see if we can get on that side. Okay, so we're gonna try to go down to deck 5, the jogging track, and let's see if we can get a good view of Getty Park.
Surfside. I see someone with a sprinkle cone.
Hey, I got this. I want to go deck 5 because the view of Getty Park. Hey, I got this. I want to go deck 5. So we just actually ran into Tiffany. She's gonna go here and then go upstairs. But we just had to. The ice cream line was nobody. So I was like, we'll take one. We deserve it. Okay, we made it to the track area. And hopefully we got a good view of Getty Park. We can see some people. So this is fun, just seeing everybody wave and just enjoy the star of the sea. Okay, so probably on the top we probably have of course a better view, but this is cool. We can see everybody eye level. There they are, right there. We see you after. We see you next week. Aloha.
Aloha, we are on the Star of the Seas at Port Canaveral. Actually, we are just leaving Port Canaveral and heading out to sea to Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island. That's our first stop.
Yeah, so this Sunday, we just left right about 4 something. We're leaving Port Canaveral. As Tiffany said, we'll be going to Coco Cay tomorrow, hoping that it will be a nice sunny day, enjoy some fresh water.
And this is a 7-night cruise.
7-night cruise, not fresh water, salt water. So we just want to share, recap, how was your first impression of the ship?
It's huge, very wide, and it's a beautiful ship.
Yeah.
I will come on it again for sure.
Yeah, so it's only our first day, not even our first day, maybe just half a day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, just a good first impression. We like the decorations, we like how the cleanliness it feels in the rooms, and also we'll be checking out the WindJammer for tonight. So we're gonna try something different for the first day and just eat food up there instead of the fine dining. But later on this week, we'll definitely be showing you guys around our experience at the fine dining.
Thank you for watching our video, and until next time, God bless and a hui ho!